Welcome to Gasim Driving School YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to practice multi-lane roundabout. We're going to have a look at the difference between the lanes, choosing the correct lane, and when to choose your lane. But first, let's start with two-lane roundabout, turning right third exit. We are on the right lane now. We pass the first exit, and then after the second exit, we're going to check the left mirror, signal left, changing to the left lane. This is normally when it's two-lane roundabout. Remember, you're not allowed to do this when you have more than two lanes. Now for this example, we're going to go first exit straight. Now this lane is split into two. Immediately choose the left lane. We exit in the roundabout from the left lane. On this roundabout, we're going to go straight second exit, A35. We are on the left lane now. Our lane is split here. The road marking telling us here the left lane left only. That's why we need to be in the middle lane. We pass the first exit. We are on the left lane. We exit in the roundabout from the left lane. In this roundabout, we're going to go straight second exit, A33. The left lane left only. Now our lane is split in here, so we need to choose the middle lane. Now we passed the first exit. Our lane is split, so we're going to choose the left lane. Now we're coming back to the same roundabout from different direction. We're going to go second exit. We are on the left lane. We just passed the first exit. Coming up second exit. Our lane going to split now. And this time we're going to choose the right lane because we're going to turn right immediately. In this example, we're going to go right third exit. So we're in the right lane. Here our lane is split, so we're going to pick the middle lane. As you can see, the red car going second exit. We're on the left lane now. We exit in the roundabout from the left lane. The lane is split again, This time we're going to pick the right lane because we're going to go right later on. For this example, we're going to go third exit, Southampton A334. There is another lane joining from the left. The road marking also telling us we are on the correct lane. So we're still on the middle lane. We pass in the first exit, and then we pass in the second exit. Now we are on the left lane. Now we're going to exit. This is the third exit. On this roundabout, we're going to go right, fourth exit. So we just passed the first exit. Our lane is split. We're going to pick the middle lane. And then we pass in second exit. We're still in the middle lane. And we pass in the third exit. This is the fourth exit. So we're exiting from overtaking lane. Now make sure to check your left mirror. Thank you for watching. All the best.